Hello, I'm Oscar Young, one of the specialists here at Stanley Gibbons. We are going to show you a few highlights from an upcoming auction, which is going to be held on the 30th and 31st of March. So the first lot, we go to China, where we have to offer a very fine, unused example of the 1980 Year of the Zodiac, Year of the Monkey stamp. It's an immensely popular stamp and highly sought after by collectors. The second of all is a little bit more technical. We go to Cyprus, and it's the 1921 45 piastra, dull purple and ultramarine. Lower marginal copy, but it possesses the very small variety, broken bottom left-hand triangle, which is all the way down here, just above the value. And of course it's an exceptionally rare item, being one of only 22 possible examples. A welcome addition to any Cyprus collection. For the third lot, we go further afield to Asia, into Hong Kong. This lot, number 255, is the 1898 10-cent surcharge on 30 cents grey green, showing the variety surcharge double. A very scarce variety indeed, and is listed in part 1, but is not currently priced, so we're expecting indeed a great deal of competition and interest in this item. The fourth lot is probably my favourite out of the selection here, and is from India, from the 1883 to 1899 officials, and it is the half Anna blue green. It's a used pair, but it's showing overprint double, a very spectacular error, and is oddly enough the first example we have ever handled of this variety in such a state. It is a truly spectacular item, and in one indeed we're expecting a high amount of interest and competition for. The last item is a little bit closer to home, being from Great Britain, and these were prepared essays for Edward VIII's coronation, which was due to be held in May 1937. But of course, as we all know, he abdicated in December of 1936, and his coronation never happened with him. Indeed, it happened with his brother, who became George VI. These essays are exceptionally rare, one of only 6 sets produced of this particular design, depicting the king in his uniform of the Welsh Guards, and were prepared in the colours of the issue of which they were meant to be. These are, again, another highly attractive set from the samples we've shown you, and indeed extremely rare. I hope these quick brief overviews of the lots that we have given has given you an idea of the many exciting and interesting items we regularly handle in our auctions. For more information regarding our sales and indeed in valuations, please contact auctions@stanleygibbons.com. And as always, please like and subscribe for more Stanley Gibbons content.